Take two. Alrighty, welcome back everybody. Today I got a little project that I want to get out of the way before I get to tomorrow's project, and that's going to be to make a spring fuller, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to need that tomorrow. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I don't have any steel big enough to fit in the hardy hole well, so I'm going to need to weld together some pieces of scrap to get some to fit. Alrighty, so we had a bit of a happy little accident there. I mean, I completely did it on purpose. 2 corner pieces I ground through the welds, and it fits perfectly, just as planned. All part of the plan. Ta-da! Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and light the forge. I'm going to tweak this a little bit to get it to sit flush on the anvil face, and then I'll get working on the spring. So right now it's still round. I'm going to flatten the spring so that it has more give in the vertical range of movement than in the horizontal, because obviously we want it to go straight up and down, and for the 2 fullers to be in line with each other. So yeah, that's the plan. Alrighty, so I got it all forged out into a flat piece of stock here. Pretty even, happy with that. So I'm going to start rolling it into a sort of 3/4 of a circle-ish shape, and then I should be set to weld on the 2 fullers. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave it a like. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I got a bunch of videos like this and more on the way. And if you want to see this guy in use, make sure to check out my next video, which should be coming out sometime in the following week. And yeah, thanks for watching.